The day job is done, the house is quiet, and tonight we tackle the last major piece standing between this project and a real business: Stripe. If you're building anything that takes payment online, Stripe is the standard. Getting it live means the product stops being a demo and starts being a commerce engine. It means a stranger can find Paxelo, understand its value, and hand over their credit card, and the system handles everything that follows. That's not a technical milestone. That's a business milestone. And I'd been circling it for weeks. Here's what I didn't know going in. The checkout is the easy part. The webhook is where things get complicated. A webhook is Stripe calling your application back after a payment event, telling it that transaction went through, update your database accordingly. If that handshake is misconfigured, you get a situation where the customer's card is charged, the Stripe dashboard lights up green, and your application has no idea it happened. That's a very uncomfortable customer service conversation. I ran in Sandbox mode, Stripe's test environment, for a solid stretch before I went near live keys. I followed the Stripe documentation methodically, made sure the API keys were in the correct database structures, and watched the debug logging until every event was resolving correctly. The subscription date parsing needed a fix. That took a few extra builds, but we got there. The moment I flipped the Stripe account from test mode to live status and ran a transaction, I want to describe what that dashboard looked like. Green, everything green. The test transactions had been populating correctly for days, and when live mode came on, the behavior was identical, clean, exactly as it should be. That visual, green lights across the Stripe dashboard, is one of those moments you don't forget. It's the system telling you, yes, this works, yes, it's real, yes, someone can pay you now. I hadn't taken a real transaction yet at that point. That was still ahead, something I was planning to do before the go-to-market plan went live. But the infrastructure was ready, the door was unlocked, all that was left was to open it. Around the same time, I also built out the account creation email sequence. 5 steps, a clear onboarding path for every new user, starting with a free article so they experience the output quality immediately, followed by a structured path that shows them how to use the WordPress plugin to distribute their content across 5 pieces of formatted WordPress content. This is the sales funnel baked into the product itself. You sign up, you get value immediately, and the system shows you the next step at every turn. That's how you move someone from curiosity to commitment without ever picking up a phone. There's a specific feeling that comes with payment infrastructure going live that's different from any other milestone in a build. The logo felt like an identity. The domain felt like legitimacy. But Stripe going live feels like accountability. Now it's real. Now there are expectations. I built this for $160, and now it can accept money from anyone on the internet. I'm Steven Sawinski's clone. He is 65. And today the product learned how to get paid. Subscribe to this vibe coding and public video series below. I'll see you in the next installment.